Let's be real, getting reviews from your customers can become a nightmare. They love your service, they tell you that they're going to leave a review, yet they never do. Now, why does this happen? Some people just have no idea where in the world to go to leave you a review. Other people just forget about you as soon as you walk out of the door. And then nobody really likes to search for things. But what if you could just show them a simple QR code? They scan it on their phone, and with one click, they're leaving a review before you even leave the customer's house. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So stick around because I'm going to show you one simple fix that's going to get more reviews into your business. It's going to rank your Google business profile higher, and it's going to ultimately increase the revenue coming in through your doors. All right, we're going to just jump right on in. So, as you can see, I have our Google Business profile pulled up. So, go ahead and pull up your Google Business profile. It should look something like this. We're going to go in and we're going to click on the Ask for Reviews tab here. You'll see it pops this up. We're going to just click this button, which will copy it. So that's the two squares over here. That's going to copy this review link right here. We just want to verify and make sure that that is a legitimate review link, that is what we're wanting to do, basically. And as you can see, I copied and pasted that in, and it immediately pops up the ability for me to review the business. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. So that is the link that we will be using. Now we're going to open up Canva. Okay. Once we get into Canva, we're going to go ahead and click on Create a Design. What I typically like to do is I actually typically like to do an Instagram post that is square. It's just automatically built out. You can do a custom square if you want, but I typically just click on the Instagram square post, which is a 1080 by 1080 square. Okay. Once this loads up, it's acting a little bit slow right now, but once this loads up, we're going to scroll down on the left hand side here. We're going to click into apps. Okay. We're going to search for QR. That's all we're going to do is just QR. My Canva is moving really slow because we're on Zoom currently recording this. I don't know why it moves slow, but it is. All right. Now that we have searched for QR, the one of them that there's a whole plethora of apps that can do this for you. The one of them that I like is this GenQR right here. So if we click into that, you'll see how cool this is about to be. So we've got the QR code content immediately. This is going to be where we're going to paste in our review link. So this is my review link. If I scan this and did nothing else right now, we are ready to go basically. However, I kind of want to make this a little bit cooler. So let's see, let's go ahead and make it a darker color first. We can change kind of some of the colors and all the other things. But one of the things that I want to do is I actually want to add a logo in the middle. So I kind of want to add the Google logo because we can have a Google one set up and we can also have a Facebook one set up. So as you can see, I've already got the Google logo downloaded, and we're going to go ahead and throw that right up in the middle. Now you can see exactly kind of what it's going to look like up here in the corner. We can do more. We can just leave this how it is, but we can actually change the exact pattern. So every button that you click will make it look a little bit different. This stuff really doesn't matter. It's just personal taste on what you want the QR code to look like. We're going to go ahead and just add that right now. So one of the cool things about this GenQR right here is you can actually save that to uploads. And so now we can use it for a whole bunch of other things. Okay. And we can basically call it right there. I realized that we were in on a square deal. So we can also add that to the design that we're currently working on, and it will automatically throw it out here as such. And you can also save this as your QR logo. However, We can do many things with this QR code, right? So we can add this to our business cards. We can add one of the things that I prefer to have done is actually give all of your employees some sort of ID badge. And this badge maybe clicks right onto their belt buckle, so, or not belt buckle, but right on the side of their belt, something like that. And they're able to show this to customers. Now you could have a front side that has the Google QR code. Perhaps they've already left a Google review. You can flip it around back and have a Facebook QR code. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to actually show you how we would do, say, a business card or something. So, well, we'll just click up here, we'll hit the plus sign. On the plus sign, we'll type something like business card. Okay, so we got business card landscape. Now we can open that up. We're going to be able to utilize this QR code. I'm going to do a couple of quick things just to show some of the things that you can do here. All right, so we can come up here to design. You can find yourself a nice, pretty layout. Say you want to use one of these. So let's just say you wanted to use this for whatever reason. Okay, assuming I can get it on there. There we go. Okay, so let's say we're just going to use this one right here. Okay, this is going to be our business card. We can just immediately come over here to uploads and you'll see that we have that Google logo uploaded. And we can downsize it to really fit the space. Say this is obviously you'd want to change the wording and all that kind of stuff, right? I mean, it's a given. But we have our QR code now on a business card. So now we can print out our business cards. And honestly, even Canva has it set up to where you can just have the business cards made and sent right to your door right from this. So, boom, it kind of shows you exactly, you can order specifically right from Canva. And this is actually how I got my latest business cards. The last one before that, I used Vistaprint. But these are amazing, and it's you know that all the sizing and everything is going to be exactly right because you built it right in Canva and then you ordered it from Canva. Another one of the cool things that we can do is we can do like a badge. I'm gonna write portrait just to see if we because I don't want a landscape badge. Whoops, no, that's not what I meant. Okay, so here we're gonna go up. We're gonna hit the plus sign again, and we're gonna hit badge portrait. So we'll look and see what that one looks like. So this would be, for instance, that badge that we would make where it would have a front and a back. We'll put the QR code right on there as well. But first and foremost, we can actually find a badge. This actually looks like the one that the mentorship uses for the HVAC Chicks Coalition. But you can go in here and you can create any sort of badge. So let's just say that we're going to use this badge right here. Okay. We don't necessarily need the ID bar on the bottom, any of that kind of stuff. But what we would want, you could put your technician's image up here, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to drop our Google QR code. So now you could print this out. Obviously, you're going to make this look like your business, but you could print this out and you could laminate both sides of it so that it can stand the test of time. And then what I would also recommend doing is making, well, so what I would do here is I would just basically copy that page. And then if you made a Facebook version, you would have one side that's for Facebook and you would have one side that's for Google. And so this allows you to get more reviews into the business. And when people leave a Google review already, it's fine if they leave a second Google review. It just overwrites the first Google review and it just tells Google that you've got repeat business. And it's actually good for people to update their reviews. However, if they've already left a Google review, I think it's better personally if they went ahead and left a review also on Facebook because Facebook is obviously a big source of customers for a lot of people. And the more social proof that you have actually within Facebook, the better it is for your business. But hopefully, this goes to show you exactly what can be done and how easily it's done. This doesn't necessarily cost you anything. I am on the pro version of Canva, which is like $15 a month, something like that. I use it on a daily basis. If you don't use it on a daily basis, there is absolutely no reason why you need pro. All of these apps and stuff can be utilized from the free version. And I highly recommend that you actually utilize these free services because imagine how many more people you can get in to review your business by having these QR codes right on your technician. You can also put this QR code, say, on an invoice. You can put these QR codes technically on your truck. I don't necessarily recommend that because you're probably going to get a whole bunch of reviews from people that aren't actually customers of your business. But it just goes to show that you can use this same QR code in a plethora of places and really get an immense more amount of reviews into your business. And that really drives your Google rankings and your revenue for the business for that matter. Word of mouth, we all know, is a major, major thing, it is a highly beneficial thing. But this is your digital word of mouth, and you really should be focusing on it in 2025 and beyond.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope that this has shown you a little bit of what you can do for your business. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and make sure and hit that notification bell so that you can know the next time that we drop a piece of content like this that shows you exactly how to take your business where you are right now and how to take it to where you want to be. Okay. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch this video right here. It's going to show you how to get out in the digital world a little bit better. And like I said, be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.